In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Akiflow time zone. If you're someone who often finds themselves juggling multiple time zones or coordinating meetings across different regions, knowing how to adjust time zone settings can be a game changer for productivity. Let's dive right in, and I'll walk you through the steps. First, you'll want to begin by opening up your Akiflow calendar. This is your central hub for organizing tasks, appointments, and everything in between. So getting familiar with these settings will really help streamline your schedule management. Once you have your calendar open, keep an eye out for the Settings or Customize icon. This is typically located in the top right corner of your calendar view. You might recognize it by its familiar gear or wrench appearance. Go ahead and click that icon. Doing so will open up a menu or settings panel that offers a variety of customization options to tailor your calendar experience. Now, focus on finding an option related to time zones. You're on the lookout for a feature that allows you to show a secondary time zone. Sometimes this can be labeled slightly differently, like Display Additional Time Zone, or something along those lines. But the key feature here is that it lets you set a second time zone view alongside your primary one. Once you've located this feature, it's time to toggle it on. This is usually as simple as flipping a switch or checking a box, depending on how it's laid out in your interface. This simple step is crucial as it activates the ability to view more than one time zone on your calendar, which is immensely helpful if you frequently coordinate across different geographic regions. With this feature enabled, you'll then want to select your desired secondary time zone from a list of options. This might include a drop-down menu or a search bar where you can type in or scroll through to find the appropriate time zone you want to add. Be sure to choose the correct one that corresponds with the area or individuals you're frequently scheduling with. Having this secondary time zone clearly visible beside your main one gives you at-a-glance context for time-related decisions and planning, making life just a bit easier when scheduling those cross-zone meetings or calls. So there you have it, a quick but thorough way to customize your Akiflow calendar to better suit your needs. By taking the time to toggle this setting, you can significantly enhance how you manage your weekly and daily commitments. I hope this walkthrough was helpful, and it empowers you to take even greater control of your time. Thanks for watching, and keep managing that calendar wisely.